Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to easily create a dark brown aesthetic filter for your photos or videos in Capcut. So here I'm using photos, but you can also use clips if you want. And after you add the material, you can just go to filter, click on the retro category, and then select the VHS 3 filter. Okay, this one, and adjust it to 100. Click on a check icon, apply it to all of your material, and then you can just go back and go to filter again, and now click on the mono category, and then select the fade filter, also 100, and click on a check icon, apply it to all of your photos, and now go to adjust. So for the brightness, lower it to negative 31 32, contrast negative 11, saturation increase it to 20, then increase the exposure to 35, sharpen 100, and then click on highlight and lower it to negative 10, shadow 21, temperature negative 15, and then hue 11. Lastly, click on fade and increase it to around 23. Okay, so now you are done, and here is the dark brown aesthetic filter. Okay everyone, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. I'll catch you all in the next content. Bye.